What's up guys, Jaden here, Video Old Man. Welcome to the Aries Moto, home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick and nothing is easy. And so is this job. But by the way, I just want to do a little bit of update on our Lincoln welder and our hack for noise right here. Just to let you know, here you go. It's been what? How long since we bought this?
Almost 1 year.
Still works, everyday usage almost. No overheating issues. If you want to see the video, like I'll post a link, little pop-up thing right here. Anyways, back to the thing we're talking about. This is 06, what is this?
That's
Lexus RX400H hybrid. So we are doing, actually I'm not doing, the old man is doing, replacing the spark plugs. And there's a few videos showing how to replace, but they're all full of shit because there's one bracket that they don't tell you about, which is
bracket are very hard to take this ball. That's not take this. Oh, you need just
loosen up.
Just to move the bracketing down on the engine. You up and you take it down bolt. You have two. You see that you have two.
Two brackets.
Two brackets. Don't have room to take out. That's a problem for this car. And I take down, and I cannot go out before. If I take the complete contour to take big job. No, that's why I make the tools small. It's old. You see, I cut 14
millimeter.
No, that's socket.
Yeah.
I cut the socket and I weld on. That's a cheap. I cut and make.
In order to.
You see, there's no room. I put inside to just a little bit. You see.
Yeah.
To a little bit open. Then you move after like this, and you take out.
And you had to cut it and weld it because the other ones are too thick. You couldn't get in. No room.
No many. No inside. That's
see, I see you try the different types of.
I try so many. That's I try this and I try this. You see, that's a no. Look, that's a.
Yeah.
No catch. That's a problem. No room. And that's I make. I make like this and put inside. Just open and after I move, we take out.
And it's the same way you're gonna tighten it once you put it back.
Yeah.
All right. So it's. Let's see if it focuses. Come on, baby, you can do it. Hold.
That's a 14. That's I cut old. You see, that's a. I have so many, and I weld. So no need.
Just quick weld, and there you go. Did you have to put it at an angle a little bit?
Yeah, that's original angle.
Or original angle.
You need the angle. There's no room.
Yeah.
But you need angle to.
I see you scratch yourself.
Yes.
Alright, so as you see it, there you go. Immigrant tool. This is how they come about.
Oh, that's how you make the shorter job.
Make it easier for yourself. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see you next video.